Well, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my Monday, which is my day off. Today we're going to go trim some trees. I've actually already been at it for a couple hours, but decided to go in and grab a GoPro and maybe document some of it in case, for some strange reason, people like to see somebody else work. We're in the bucket truck today. This is my 38-foot bucket truck. As you can see, it needs a wash really badly. It's been sitting for a couple of years. Here's my trusty dog, Ace. Hey buddy, you ready to go cut some trees? And we're gonna go have some fun, maybe do some time lapse. And I know this helmet looks ridiculous, but I needed a way to mount the camera, and also to save my nugget from falling branches. As you can see, here's some that are too low, can't get the tractor under. Those are little babies, so we'll just quickly cut those off. And then we're gonna have to clean all this stuff up too. So anyway, we've already started a pretty good pile. We've got a long ways to go and a lot of branches to get there, but it's coming along. As you can see, I've got a bunch of larger ones over there that I'm gonna buck up for firewood. It's a gorgeous day today for it. We're going to level the bucket. Raise it up, move it over, lower down so I can get my butt into it. Got my safety harness and rope just in case the truck breaks down and I have to rappel down again. Gonna grab my trusty pole saw. Head on up into the bucket. Truck's a little tilted, not ideal, but we're gonna go for it. Up we go. But it sure is cool to be able to access some of this high stuff with the branches so I can grab my tractor. So as you can probably see, I kind of got rained out. I was up in the bucket and started pouring down rain on me. Being up that high in slippery conditions is probably not ideal to be running a chainsaw, no matter how small it is. I'm soaked. I left the window open of the truck, and so of course the vinyl seat was soaked when I went to sit down, and so yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day, or at least until the rain slows down and stops, and head on back up to the house. You can see we've got branches down everywhere from cutting. That's the first time I've gotten the bucket truck back in over 2 years, so a lot of overgrown stuff, a lot of lights to put up, a lot of power lines. I will do part 2 to the video when I go to take the tractor and clean up all that mess out there, and then some. I've probably got 1/10 of the way done. I got another 90% to do, so it's going to be a crazy spring. Anyway, stay tuned. Talk to you later. Well, I guess that's not too terrible for a day's work. Hope you enjoyed watching me work. Stay tuned. Not sure what video I'm going to do next, but it'll be funner than this, I'm guaranteeing it. Anyway, hit subscribe, like, share, whatever you want to do. I don't care. Have a nice day.